Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a contact list or distribution list in Office 365. The easiest way to start is to get into your email and then go up to the apps button up here and click on the apps and then select people. Okay, now I have several contact lists already created, so that's why you're looking at my drop down box. And you can get to it by just changing this arrow up or down. From this point, you just have to click on New. Not New, the plus sign here, because that will add a new contact. You want to click on the drop down arrow and select Contact List. Then give the list a name. Teachers. And this is in district, within district, and within district it's a lot easier because the names just start to appear as soon as you start typing. They show up really quickly. And one more, Oliver, Parkinson. Okay, so there are my 8 homeroom teachers for 5th grade, and you can also add special ed teachers, but I'm just going to save this list. And here are my 5th grade teachers distribution list. Now, if you want to do an out-of-district list, you can do the same thing, but first you have to start creating some context. So you can either use the drop-down button here and select contact, or just the new button here. And here's your form to create contacts. I'm just going to use family members for this demonstration. And then put their email in. Now this you have to type out, because unless you have a list somewhere, you can import it. But if not, you have to type their email addresses. And here's display name. You can change if you want to put Mr. or Mrs., or if you just want to put the student's name in here. You can type whatever you'd like. You can also enter phone number. And you have to put, as far as I can tell, you have to put the dashes in. There may be a setting that you can change so you don't have to do that. Okay, and then I'm going to click Save. And then I'll add one more contact just to show you that again. So I can add more than one to my list. Yes. And then again, phone number, mobile. You can add home phone numbers too. Okay, and then add the Save button. Click the Save button. Alright, so from this point on, I have, now I want to make my list, so I'm going to click on this contact list, and I'm going to give the list a name, my parents. I'm going to call it family, and I'm going to start to add members. Okay, so there's one. Sometimes the out-of-district ones don't show up right away. Mine are now showing up, but earlier they were not. If they don't, type the whole name in and then click Search Directory, and it should show up. If it still doesn't show up, give it a few minutes and go back to it, and it will most definitely appear. And then we click the Save button. And now I have my family list, and I have the contacts that I added, and I have a 5th grade teachers and my other contact list. Now, just to show you how this works in Mail, you go back to your apps, click on your Mail button, and then create New. And I'm going to type 5th grade teachers, and there's my list. I can also use one of my old ones, Humanities, click on that, and then that's where I can send, put the subject in and send an email really easily. That's it. If you have any questions, come see me. I can show you how to do it. Again, if you need to refresh on how to do it, or you have any other questions about adding contact list or distribution list. Thanks. Bye-bye.